Benz in the first quarter of 2015. This was actually declared 2 days back that we have grown 40% year on year over last year, and today Mercedes-Benz is the number one. Is the number one brand in the luxury segment in India, and I think that's a commendable thing, and we as Mahabir have definitely made a huge contribution to that. So I think it's kudos to all of you. As Škoda, now we are about 13 years old, and 13 years we've consistently been either number one, number two, or number three across the country. So I think that is also something which speaks very highly about all of you over here who are committed to the brand, and I think we all require a round of applause for each and every one of us. 2013, we added the brand Suzuki to our portfolio. In 2013 we added Isuzu and Soundroom. 2014 we added Suzuki. In the year 2015 we have added DSE Benelli. Those are the bikes which are outside. I think you must have a look at those bikes. They are really something to talk about. Coming soon, we have now the AMG Center, which we are going to be opening up in the Mercedes-Benz showroom. I do not know how many of you have had an opportunity to see that. The mezzanine is going to become a full-fledged AMG Center. We will be the 4th AMG Center in the country, which means that we will have the exclusive opportunity of selling very high-end performance cars which come from Mercedes-Benz. We have also now the DSK Hyosung, which we have taken over. That also is going to come up on road number 1. We are going to have 3 showrooms there. That's going to be the Indian motorcycle. Indian motorcycle is a cult motorcycle. It's a brand which is more than 100 years old from the United States. It's a brand which has got a huge legacy, and it's something which all of us will be proud of. In fact, the way it is positioned is it's positioned above a Harley Davidson. So we are going to be having 3 plus 1 Indian motorcycle brand. We are going to have the Hyosung, we are going to have the Indian, we are going to have the Benelli, and we already have the Suzuki, which means on a motorcycle also we have a huge range like how we have in the cars. We also opened up a Global Academy of Automotive Retail Excellence. This is something which we have done in Pune. It's going to go live in the month of June. This is a place where we are going to now get into training. We are getting into getting people out from schools, from colleges, from diplomas. We train them on automobile trade, and then we give them a guaranteed job placement across the country. This is something which we will further talk about, but it's a great initiative because we feel that their education is a place which has got a lot of scope even in the automotive industry. Last year at the Carnival, we launched our logo. This year, we would like to proudly present to you a new website and a mobile app. This is the mobile app which we actually launched today. You can get it on Google Play, and as you go out from this place today, I would request each one of you to download this app, spread it around, because this is our own app, and I think if I'm not mistaken, it's already live. We have also now got a new website which will also be it's a new website which we have developed, which also goes on live today. Okay, this is the app. It's a demonstration of the app. And we would like you to promote this to each and every customer of ours, irrespective of the brand. It's got used cars, it's got offers, it's got quick contacts, it's got a message to the CEO, and these are actually real time and they will be operated 24/7. I'd also like to tell you that we are putting up a call center on top of the Mercedes-Benz showroom, which will be, I think, also going live this month. This year is the year of evolution. That's what we've named 2015 as. And if you notice, we have done a lot of things because we want to actually change the perspective, not only internal but also external. So that's why we have come up with all these things. Now this is our website. This is how it's going to look. It's called www.mahabirgroup.co. It runs all our brands, and it's live now. Okay, it's also a mobile phone and a tablet optimized. So this is something which we can actually talk about at every sphere of our life. It has to become a way of life, and then I'm sure it's going to spread a lot. So with this, I would like to leave you to look at the family, Mahavir family video. A lot of effort has gone into this, and I'm sure you will enjoy seeing it. Please.
Mavi Group started with 4 people and a dream that they had to do something in this field, and it's 4 people who come from very different backgrounds. One was a mechanic, one was an automobile enthusiast, one was running a workshop, and one was a rally runner. So they all came in together just for their love of cars, and it's been a wonderful journey from 4 people to over 750 employees and growing every day.
So Mahavir Auto Diagnostics was actually promoted by Mukesh Maheshwari, Parshu Kumar Jawab, Dinya Marshall and myself. So that was the birth of Mahavir.
I think it was in our blood and we were passionate about cars. We were into racing at that time along with Mr. Yashud. We raced. I built the cars. So passion brought us friends together. That's how the group got formed. And we started Mahavir Travels, and then we went on to start the first authorized service center for telco.
We used to have very clear-cut jobs then. Mukesh and Marshall would actually work on the shop floor. Parshu would actually look after the stores and the spare parts. I would look after the front office and the finance. So that's where we actually started working from. There was a time when we would actually write our job cards. Marshall and Mukesh would work on the parts. Parshu would actually give out the spares from the spare parts counter. This is way back in 1989.
We worked very hard in those days. We were so as passionate that we were even there during getting a car off the truck at 12 midnight. That is where all of us, including Mr. Parshu, would be there watching the truck, the Mercedes roll down from the truck, and it was a great feeling. A few years later, when Telco and Mercedes split, we got an opportunity to apply for Mercedes. We took it up as a challenge, and we never have looked back since then.
We looked after their sales for 6 months before they could appoint anybody in the country, and they were quite happy with the way we did things. With that, they appointed us as the dealers. We were among the first ones to start in the country, and we had to build the brand totally in the state of Andhra Pradesh at that time. And that was quite a challenging role, and we enjoyed it thoroughly. We did that in a good way. Then the chance of Skoda Auto came in, again a brand unknown to the state. We built the brand right from scratch. In fact, we were the first or the second ones appointed in the country. So that's the thing which we have built the brand across the state. And today we have a market position in which we are the leading sellers of Skoda in the country.
It's been a long journey from there. So there are also been situations where when the people do not want to work, we were prepared to ask everybody to move out from the workshop and we would do the work ourselves. Mukesh and Marshall were hands-on mechanics. So it's from there that today Marshall has become a hardcore salesperson, and Mukesh will become a hardcore workshop administrator.
As the initial startup stakeholders in the company, the 4 of us decided that we should now look at different avenues to move forward, to move further ahead, create a niche for ourselves, create a brand which was not relevant to a product, but create the brand Mahavir, which we have created with a huge amount of diligence, a lot of hard work over the years.
So Mahavir as a brand is over 25 years old.
Mahavir currently has Mercedes-Benz, Skoda, Isuzu, Suzuki motorcycles, Benelli bikes, and Indian motorcycles as part of its portfolio. Mercedes-Benz and Skoda has been associated with us for a very long time, while Isuzu, Suzuki joined us last year, and Benelli motorcycles and Indian motorcycles is in the works. We are currently situated across Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Orissa, with showrooms in Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Vizag, and Bhubaneswar.
The group today boasts of some of the finest sales consultants across India. We have team leaders and sales consultants who have been rated and ranked by the principals as the finest. They are trained in-house by us, by our training division, which is very strong in its fundamentals. And they are also being trained by Mercedes-Benz India and the key leaders in our system who have been trained and directed by globally in Germany and in other places. So the kind of infrastructure we have and the kind of people we have in place, I think we are ready for the future.
Our approach has always been towards new things, towards new segments, towards new challenges. We got into Mercedes in 96. I think we were the third leader in the country. Skoda, again, one of the oldest leaders, if not the oldest. And with Isuzu, first leaders in the country. Again, Benelli were the first set of leaders in the country. So we've always wanted to go out and experiment and taking the segments which India has never seen.
We would like to be having the advantage of the first mover. Okay. First mover is something which is difficult to create the brand, but then you and the brand grow together and the brand grows on you. Today when you talk about Mercedes-Benz or Skoda in the state of Andhra Pradesh, we always talk about we are Mercedes, we are Skoda. It's something like we are extremely proud that we have been able to support the brand in creating a huge niche for themselves in the marketplace.
We want to be a one-stop shop for person. So he feels that if he comes to Mahavir, he's getting value for everything. And that happens only when we are building relationship over a period of time. It's very evident with the fact that we have got people working with us for the last 20 years plus. And that kind of thing is being transformed to all our customers also who have taken almost 5 vehicles, 6 vehicles over a period of time. And this has happened across 5, 7, 8 years. So anytime he has to have a repeat purchase, he's looking at us.
We want to keep the customer happy enough, make him feel like he's part of the family.
One of them continues to work for the organization even today. If you look at it, he has 25 years plus. So this philosophy of ours, building valuable relationship, is not something which is just grown. It's been there with us for so many years. We create relationships within the organization, quality who work with us. We create relationships with the customers outside. So I think creating a valuable relationship is the backbone for our business, which is something which I think a lot of people acknowledge today. The kind of relationship building we have done in the state of Andhra Pradesh is something which is very unique. We have been able to actually hold on to these brands and say exclusive dealers for Mercedes for over a decade and a half and for Skoda for over a decade now, which itself proves that we have been able to deliver what the customer wants, what the manufacturer wants, and we are able to actually keep ourselves happy because we have been able to achieve what we want to achieve.
We've served 25,000 customers over the years, and one of the key reasons why we believe that customers trust us and keep coming back to us is because it is not about a transaction, it's not about a sale. We believe in actually building a relationship with our customers, and it is today because of our customers that we have managed to do so well. It is their support and it is the relationship that we built with them that has helped create what we are today.
The team generally is a first generation business enterprise, and to take it from 6-7 people to 700 people today is something amazing. I hold this in awe, and I look at my inspiration as being this. People who look at inspiration from outside, I look at inspiration from the company itself. Like I want to be like how my directors are. That's what drives me forward.
We have a head start for every brand that we start. Once we know that we are getting a new brand into our armory, then we prepare from that very minute. We hire people, look for people. More than hiring people, we always look to promote people within our group who have been with us for a very long time. They know the kind of work we do, our pattern of work. So they are already into our team, so we promote our own people to handle higher jobs and more responsibilities. And then we get new people in to support the people who are already existing, so that way we grow. People inside grow and the organization grows.
The work out here, the people around, the management, very, very friendly. And I was nothing when I joined. I just didn't know anything. And today I am in this place just because of Mr. Yashwant. He had, I don't know what he seen in me. He kept pushing me. And today whatever I am, this is because of him.
गलतियाँ होते हैं, हर एक जगह गलतियाँ होती हैं, बट वो गलतियों को भी हम लोग नॉर्मल करके उन लोगों को फिर से नहीं करना होते हैं, उनको सिखाते हैं.
And the brilliant part of this organization is the kind of space and empowerment you get from your immediate bosses. Like I report to Mr. Pashu and Mr. Yashwant, and the kind of space what they give today. And because of that reason, I have been very, very successful in implementing processes, people orientation, and it has been like quite a fabulous journey with these guys for the last 3 years.
It's like a family, the kind of environment what we have here. We are all closely connected with people and we respect each other. That's how we get help from the management. Normally we don't tend to interact with the management that easily. But here we can talk to them and we can get kind of help if you require any responsibilities. They are very approachable to everybody.
My recommendation to the new joinees would that take as much as responsibility as possible. Never say that attitude is one thing what need to be adhered. Definitely, the support from the management is always there. The day you take the responsibility, you are the winner.
हाँ, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और बताया ना, मैं MD से मैं पर्सनली भी अगर चाहे तो मैं उनसे कॉल करके बात कर सकता हूँ. तो वो सबसे बड़ा मेरे को यहाँ पे मिलकर यहाँ पे सपोर्ट है MD का, डायरेक्टली MD से मेरे करते हैं.
Mahavir, once you join Mahavir, it's your life. I would challenge any Mahavir to take a blood test. I would swear to God, there is some Mahavir in your life. And it grows day by day. And that shows the people who work for us, who moved out of Mahavir, moved out of Hyderabad, moved out of India. Still think of Mahavir, a lot of nostalgia attached to it. You come back saying that, wow, days at Mahavir. You think of it as how you spend time in your school, in your college, with your favorite people around you. So it's that kind of environment which works, because I would rather say don't light a fire under somebody, light a fire within somebody. It takes them forward. It takes you forward, it takes everybody forward.
Mahavir Group collectively is a fantastic place to work. It's a fantastic team. I'm our team leader, chairman, every individual here, the team with me in after sales, they're all fantastic.
స్టార్టింగ్ వచ్చి హెల్పర్ వచ్చి టెక్నీషియన్ ట్రైనింగ్ అయిన తర్వాత కొంచెం ఇంప్రూవ్ అయ్యి దాంట్లో వచ్చి మనకు చెప్పిన తర్వాత సూపర్వైజర్, టీమ్ లీడర్, ఫ్లోర్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్, ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి ఐఆర్ కంపల్సేషన్, ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి ఇప్పుడు ఫైనాన్స్ పర్పస్ చేస్తున్నాం.
It's not explicitly said out loud, but everybody has a mentor. It's like the buddy system. Once you get into the system, it's not easy for everyone to get used to the system. So there's always someone who's guiding you throughout. You can say that they're guided us very well. If there was a mistake, there was no firefighting and there was no shouting anymore. They made ourselves realize that we made a mistake. Don't repeat the same. So that was the best part of the Mahavir thing, because everyone, whoever entered in the Mahavir, they love to work because of the freedom they give. We
because of the responsibilities. When they trust you, when they're giving you a lot of responsibility, I don't think so. Anything will try to do anything which they want to cannot be justified or something. What I am today only because of, I can say definitely it's of the Mahavir.
I happened to attend an interview on Sunday afternoon, and then there I was 6.5 days, still believing in every part of Mahavir that I believe in very well.
मैंने सैलरी के डिपेंड नहीं आया, सैलरी की थ्रू से मैंने काम नहीं किया, मैं जो भी काम किया मेरे मन से और मेरे दिल से काम किया। इस कंपनी में जो मैं 18 साल दे चुका हूँ, मिस्टेक तो हर किसी से है, मेरे से भी हुआ होगा, बट मैंने अभी तक जो बेस्ट किया है एवरी बेस्ट और आगे भी बेस्ट
right from sales executive to management. Every day we get new opportunities. So it's been great. We started off as a family business, and even after having 750 employees, we can never really call ourselves a corporate because there's always a family touch to everything that we do. Because we try to get involved in everything right from the management level to the lowest level of technicians present in our employee structure and make everybody feel home. So the one good culture that we have that would separate us from most companies which have more than 500 employees is that every one of our employees, each and every one, would have that sense of belonging and the sense of ownership of Manu. So there is not, I don't think there are too many people out there who would say that I work here only for the salary. So it's a family-run business. It's family operated. I would say it's owned by 750 people.
I personally am seeing the video and feeling like a family. So guys, give a huge round of applause for yourself for being part of such an awesome company. I'm sure everybody has a good attachment to this video and everybody knows what this means to us. Next, we have something really more important. Something which, the most important people to be recognized. We have the legends of Mahavir. I don't have to ask you. Yes, we have Legends of Mahavir coming up. For this, I invite